Now comes question number 7 in legal research and education. Socio legal research in India using the questionnaire method. The introduction says that the socio legal research bridges disciplines. It integrates law and society. Methods include qualitative and quantitative. Questionnaire method collects primary data, focuses on empirical analysis, identifies gaps in legal systems, promotes reforms for societal welfare, encourages participatory legal developments, uses used in policy making process essential for understanding societal behaviors, empowers marginalized group through law, reflects on judicial system effectiveness, ensures inclusivity in legal research, encourages data driven legal conclusions, reveals socio-cultural impacts on justice, enables study of legal awareness, assets in comparative legal analysis, bridges theoretical and practical knowledge, enhances reforms through empirical evidence, foundation of modern legal education. Types of questionnaire methods: open ended questions allows descriptive responses, close ended, structured with fixed options, dichotomous yes no for binary data, Likert scale measures attitudes quantitatively, rating scales gauge intensity or preference, checklist captures multiple choice responses, ranking prioritizes given legal issues, contingency follows conditional questioning logic, matrix compactly organizes similar questions, structured predefined questions in sequence, unstructured, open for respondent interpretation, semi-structured combination of predefined, open, internet-based, distributed via online platform, face-to-face, enhances personal interaction quality, telephonic collects data effectively, paper-based, traditional but resource-intensive approach, mobile app supports remote participation effectively, email questionnaire delayed but convenient responses, anonymous ensures confidentiality and honesty, focused groups collects collective participation insights, designing effective questionnaires, clear objectives guide questionnaire development. Questions must address research objectives directly, avoid ambiguous leading or biased wording, ensure logical sequence for smooth flow. Pilot test ensures questionnaire effectiveness, short and concise, minimizes respondent fatigue, include demographics for respondent profiling, use layman terms, avoiding legal jargon, provide instructions for answering questions, balance open ended and close ended formats, avoid excessive technical or complex terms, ensure alignments with socio legal themes, incorporate ethical considerations and questions, use skip patterns for relevant flow ups, allow not applicable for irrelevant questions, keep privacy policy explicitly mentioned, use visuals for better question comprehension, limit questionnaire length for engagement retention, create an engaging and inclusive tone, always seek informed respondent consent. Examples of social legal studies: gender based discrimination in Indian workplaces, legal rights awareness among tribal populations, custodial torture laws effectiveness in India, legal literacy program among rural women, cybercrime awareness across age demographics, land acquisition, disputes and compensation effectiveness, human rights violations and policies, custody, juvenile justice system reform impacts, right to education implementation, effectiveness evaluation, public perception of environmental protection laws, consumer rights awareness among urban youth, marriage and inheritance laws and minorities, impact of PILs on public welfare, effectiveness of anti dowry law enforcement, judicial delay perceptions in rural areas, mental health law awareness improvement, labor law violations in informal sectors, impact of ADR mechanisms on disputes, LGBTQ plus rights awareness post Section 377, road safety law implementation, case studies, relevant case laws, Vishakha versus State of Rajasthan Workplace Harassment and Gender Rights, MC Mehta versus Union of India Environmental Protection Legal Landmark, Keshavananda Bharti versus State of Kerala Constitution's basic structure upheld judicially. Maneka Gandhi versus Union of India Right to Life, Personal Liberty. Nas Foundation versus NCT Delhi LGBTQ criminalization landmark decision. Sheila Barse versus State of Maharashtra Rights of Prisoners and Juveniles. Chayada Baro no versus Union of India triple talaq's constitutionality debated judicially. Olga Tellis versus Bombay Municipal Corporation rights to livelihood versus displacement. Indira Shawnee versus Union of India reservations for OBCs judicially analyzed. State of Punjab versus Baldev Singh procedural safeguards in NDPS Act interpretation. Rupa Ashok Hura versus Ashok Hura curative petitions define legal scope. Aruna Shanbag versus Union of India passive euthanasia law recognition, State of Kerala versus Kasturi Lal custodial death and state accountability, DK Basu versus State of West Bengal guidelines for arrest procedures, established Lakshmi versus UI, acid attack survivors' rights, emphasize Sarla Mudgal versus UI, bigamy under personal laws examined, Bandhua Mukti Morcha versus Union of India bonded labor issues judicially addressed. PUCL versus UI privacy rights and Aadhaar implementation. Navtej Johar versus UI LGBTQ plus equality under Indian Constitution. IR Coelho versus State of Tamil Nadu 9 schedule and judicial review. Conclusion: socio legal research influences judicial reforms. It strengthens India's legal educational frameworks. Questionnaire method ensures inclusive participation, reflects social realities, shaping laws, promotes evidence-based legislative policy making, encourages citizen engagement in governance, bridges gaps between law, society, domains, advocates for marginalized voice, inclusion, strengthens legal literacy in populations, addresses contemporary social legal challenges, effectively upholds public trust in justice systems, facilitates comparative legal system understanding essential for understanding evolving societal needs, encourages accountability within legal systems, contributes to progressive judicial interpretations, fosters dialogue between disciplines collaboratively, empowers individuals through legal knowledge enhancement, facilitates transparent, equitable policy making approaches, advances India's democratic and legal integrity, socio legal research drives systematic progress.